To exponential equations. 2 raised to the power x is equals to 2 raised to the power 5. I can just read off from here that x is equals to 5. So most of the time the equation will not be given straightforward as such. If we're given this example, 2 to the x is equals to 32. So our main task here will be to express both sides of the equation in the same base. What is 32 in terms of 2? So 32 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So this is 2 to the 5th will give us 32. So I'm saying that 2 raised to the power x is equal to raised to the power 5. Let's look at this example here. 2 raised to the power x is equals to 1 all over 4 raised to the power 3. We recognize this form here, and from our laws of indices, we'll see that 2 raised to the power x will be equals to, this relates to negative indexes, so this is 4 raised to the power minus 3. We don't yet have the same base, but we'll find here that 4 can be expressed in base 2. 2 raised to the power x will be equals to, what is 4? 4 is 2 raised to the power 2, all raised to the power minus 3. 2 raised to the power x is equals to 2 raised to the power 2 times minus 3. 2 raised to the power x is equals to 2 raised to the power minus 6. So I'm saying here that x is equals to minus 6. Let's look at another example. 3 raised to the power x is equals to 1 all over 2, 4, 3. So this is a fraction which is a negative index. This is 3 raised to the power x is equals to 2, 4, 3 raised to the power minus 1. But I can express 243 in base 3. 2, 4, 3 is equals to 3 raised to the power 5. If I say 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 will give me 243. Let's come back to this. 3 raised to the power x is equals to 3 raised to the power 5, all raised to the power minus 1. 3 raised to the power x is equals to 3 raised to the power 5 times minus 1. 3 raised to the power x is equals to 3 raised to the power, this is 5 times minus 1. So 3 raised to the power x is equals to 3 raised to the power minus 5. Our x there now will be equals to minus 5. Let's look at this one. 8 raised to the power x minus 1 is equals to 16. We can put 8 and 16 in the same base. What is 8 in base 2? 8 in base 2 is 2 to the third. What is 16 in base 2? 2 raised to the power 4 is equals to 16. Let's apply these index numbers in our equations. I'll have 2 to the third, all raised to the power x minus 1 is equals to 2 to the 4th. So let's rewrite this. This will be 2 raised to the power 3 times x minus 1 is equals to, the base is the same, I can then equate powers. This is 3 factor of x minus 1 is equals to 4. So I open the brackets. 3x minus 3 is equals to 4. I take minus 3 the other way. 3x is equals to 4 plus 3. 3x is equals to 7. I divide both sides by 3. X will be equals to 7 all over 3. Let's take another example. 10 to the x is equals to 0.0001. This number has 4 decimal places, so it is the same as 10 raised to the power x is equals to 1 all over 10,000. 4 decimal places. So this is 10 raised to the power x is equals to 1 all over 10 to the 4th. 10 raised to the power x is equals to 10 raised to the power minus 4, because this is a fraction which is a negative index. So 10 raised to the power x is equals to, the base is the same, we then equate powers. I'll have x there is equals to minus 4. Let's look at this one. 1 all over 9 raised to the power x is equals to 27. What's the value of x? I see that I can express 9 and 27 in the same base. What is 9? It is equals to 3 raised to the power 2. 27 is 3 raised to the power 3. So now I have 1 all over 3 raised to the power 2 all to the x is equals to 3 raised to the power 3. Here I have a fraction which by the law of indices tells me that I have a negative index here. This is 3 raised to the power minus 2 all raised to the power x is equals to 3 raised to the power 3. This is 3 raised to the power minus 2x, because minus 2 times x is minus 2x is equals to 3 raised to the power 3. The base is the same, I then equate powers. Minus 2x is equals to 3. I divide both sides by minus 2. I have x there will be equals to minus 3 all over 2. Let's look at this one here. 2 raised to the power 2x is equals to 2 raised to the power 5 factor of x plus 1. The base there is the same, so I equate powers. I have 2x is equals to 5 factor of x plus 1. I open the brackets. 2x is equals to 5x plus 5. I bring like terms together. This is 2x minus 5x is equals to 5. This will be minus 3x is equals to 5. I divide both sides by minus 3. I have x there will be equals to minus 5 all over 3.